Good day, I am Chan Francisco. I am the group leader and this is my group members.
John Tristan Garchitorena.
Ibrahim Samun.
And we are Code Commanders!
Components that we need in our Arduino kit given by our professor would be the Arduino Uno, the main microcontroller board. Next would be the Arduino wires, which helps us connect the external parts of our Arduino. Then lastly, the LED lights. Now then, the second project will be constructing an SOS signal using the Morse code. First step is we would declare our lead pin integer variable to 13, and then the next one would be integer, and then we will call it a dot delay. This will set how long a Morse code dot lasts for about 250 milliseconds. We would set the output of our LED pin, and then lastly we would use the Morse code function. First, we would now code the two functions. First would be the dot, and then the second would be the dash. So we would write the code for on and off for our dot function, and instead of how many seconds we will put the delay, we would actually put it into our dot delay integer, because this will automatically set for at least 250 milliseconds for the signal. And for the dash, we would set our lead pin to high, and then for delay we would multiply it by 3, because for in Morse code a single dash will be 3 dots. Only for the first delay, but not the second. And then lastly, we would loop our functions. So automatically we would label the first line actually of code would be the S. We would use 3 dot functions, and then we would set the delay multiplied by 2 for the S, and then for the O we would now then use 3 dash functions and then another delay multiplied by 2. And then lastly, the final S, we would copy the 3 same dot functions, and then we would add a delay. The reason why we would multiply it by 4 is because it will longer the pause before repeating, so that the signal that we're sending to someone will not cause errors. And then lastly, we would upload it and test. And that's how we will do the Arduino Project 2 by using an SOS Morse code signal in our LED.